You found a job that fits your background. You've researched the company. You've carefully read the job description. Now comes one of the most important parts of the hiring process, your resume. But here's a question many professionals never ask. Is your resume telling your career story or simply listing everything you've ever done? Many qualified professionals assume their experience should speak for itself. The reality is something different. Hiring managers aren't reading resumes to discover your potential. They're trying to determine whether your experience solves their current business problem. In today's episode, we're going to explore how to reverse engineer your resume using the job description as your blueprint. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a framework for presenting your experience more strategically. One principle in particular may completely change how you think about resume writing moving forward. Welcome to Career Architecture on Tech Money Diaries. If you're interested in careers, leadership, technology, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and the future of work, subscribe and join our growing community. Before we begin, comment below. When was the last time you updated your resume? Let's get started. Many professionals treat resumes like career history documents. They try to include every responsibility, every technology, every project, and every accomplishment. The result is often a resume that tells employers everything you've done, but very little about the value you've created. Employers aren't hiring your past. They're hiring your ability to solve today's business challenges. That changes how your resume should be written. Think about it this way. A resume isn't simply a record of your employment history. It's a professional business document designed to communicate why you're the right person to solve a specific organizational need. The first thing I recommend is starting with the job description. Instead of asking, "What have I done?" ask yourself, which parts of my experience are most relevant to this opportunity? This doesn't mean changing your experience. It doesn't mean exaggerating your qualifications. And it certainly doesn't mean adding experience you don't have. It means presenting your existing experience in a way that highlights the knowledge, skills, and accomplishments that are most applicable to the position you're pursuing. Just as organizations prioritize business requirements, your resume should prioritize relevance. Another important shift is focusing on outcomes instead of activities. Consider these two examples. Managed projects. Now compare that to managed cross-functional projects that improved operational efficiency, reduced implementation delays, and supported organizational objectives. One describes a responsibility. The other communicates business value. Throughout your career, you've likely solved problems, improved processes, supported customers, reduced risk, implemented new systems, increased efficiency, trained employees, documented procedures, or helped your organization achieve important goals. Those accomplishments deserve more attention than a simple list of daily responsibilities. When employers review resumes, they're often trying to answer one important question: what value will this person bring to our organization? The easier you make that answer, the stronger your resume becomes. Quick reality check. When you update your resume, do you usually create an entirely new version, or do you continue updating the same document you've used for years? Comment below. And if this discussion has been helpful so far, please like the video. It helps more professionals discover Tech Money Diaries and join the conversation. Another important consideration is organization. Recruiters often review dozens and sometimes hundreds of resumes for a single position. That means they may only spend a short amount of time during an initial review deciding whether to continue reading. Clarity matters. Can they quickly identify your years of experience, your technical skills, your certifications, your accomplishments, the industries you've worked in, the types of projects you've supported, the business value you've delivered. If important information is buried throughout the document, it may never receive the attention it deserves. A well-organized resume helps employers quickly understand who you are and how your experience aligns with their needs. Finally, think about your resume as a business presentation. Every bullet point should answer an important question. What problem did you solve? What challenge did you overcome? What value did you create? How did your work improve the organization? Did you reduce costs, improve efficiency, strengthen customer satisfaction, support compliance, improve communication, implement technology, reduce operational risk? When your resume consistently answers those questions, it becomes much easier for employers to understand your potential contribution. Remember, a hiring manager isn't simply evaluating your experience. They're evaluating whether your experience can help achieve their organization's objectives. So before submitting your next application, consider reviewing your resume through 5 strategic lenses: relevance, business value, outcomes, organization, strategic positioning. Those 5 areas often communicate far more than simply listing responsibilities or technologies you've used. The strongest resumes don't attempt to say everything. They communicate the right information to the right audience at the right time. Career architecture isn't about creating the perfect resume. It's about presenting your experience strategically so decision makers can clearly understand the value you bring. If you found value in today's discussion, subscribe to Tech Money Diaries. Every week we explore careers, leadership, technology, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, workforce trends, and the future of work. Like this video, share it with someone who's currently updating their resume, and comment below. What's the biggest challenge you faced while writing or updating your resume? I read every comment and look forward to hearing your perspective. Career transitions can challenge our confidence. They can test our patience, resilience, and perspective. Many of life's most important lessons aren't learned when everything is going according to plan. They're often learned while navigating change. That's one of the themes explored in my book, Wisdom Earned Not Taught: Finding Growth, Resilience, and Purpose Through Life's Challenges. Life is the classroom. Experience is the teacher. Wisdom is the diploma. Thank you for watching Career Architecture on Tech Money Diaries. I'll see you in the next episode. The content shared in this video is provided for educational and informational purposes only and reflects general observations, professional experience, research, and analysis. It should not be considered employment, legal, financial, human resources, recruiting, or career counseling advice. Resume evaluation, hiring decisions, interview outcomes, compensation, promotions, and career opportunities vary based on individual qualifications, employers, industries, organizational needs, and market conditions. Always conduct your own research and use your professional judgment when making career decisions.